请上车的乘客往车厢中部走。
China's top 10 internet-famous subway stations. Deep beneath Wuhan, 30 meters below the surface, a revolution in space design is quietly unfolding. The Guangzhou Metro Station's aluminum alloy shell, composed of 128 individual units, challenges traditional engineering norms and redefines the physical boundaries of underground construction. This innovative structure not only highlights advanced engineering techniques, but also serves as a testament to the integration of architecture and technology in modern metro systems. The Guangzhou station team created a 8 mm thick honeycomb structure, achieving an anti-wind pressure of 12 kilotons per square meter, equivalent to withstanding the force of 300 wind turbines. This innovation sets new standards for subway construction efficiency and durability. Achieving 0.01 mm precision control improves airflow efficiency by 67%. Despite train speeds exceeding 80 km per hour, PM 2.5 levels inside the station remain under 15 gm.